Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel, depending on whether you're new here. You're probably new here because I have, on last check, 24 subscribers. When did that happen? Amazing. So I decided that I was going to order from Thread again, specifically because I was recommended an outfit and I thought, oh, that's cute. So today's, I was going to say episode, today's video is going to be me putting together the entire outfit using 2 items that I bought from Thread. I'm not trying the outfit on today, I just want to get it open. I've had this parcel for like 3 weeks and I wanted to film this video, so I just haven't opened it. Anyway, I digress. I have bought 2 items from this outfit. Those items are a jumper and some dungarees, and I'm going to use other stuff that I already own to put together the rest of the outfit, and then we're going to do like a bish bash bosh, try everything on, show the complete outfit, and ta-da. But first I need to remove my address so I don't dox myself. Well, that took a lot longer than I expected and ended up ruining my nail. But parcel, Thread, we've got it. Still sealed. So now I'm going to do the satisfying opening thing. Okay, we're ready. So I'll show you the dungarees first because they're more like standard. Here they are. They're just like black denim type thing. It's got plain black clasps, which I think is quite nice. Got like the clasps down the side. I think there might be 3/4 length or like hit at the ankle. I'm not sure yet. So find out when I try them on, whenever that might be. Hopefully it won't take me so long to like film the whole try on that my whole hair and everything will have changed again. So I will show those here. And then we have this jumper. The cool thing about this, and it's not actually that interesting, but like I just thought it looked cool, is, I mean, it's a lovely shade of pink. I love this shade of pink. I'll just quickly show you the jumper that they showed in the original outfit, or the top that they showed here. So as you can see, that's got more of a like ombre tie-dye feel to it. This, of course, having been suggested, is nothing like that. It's just pink. So they just took the colour pink and they were like, yeah, close enough. But what I liked about this is it has this like corded design here, which I just thought was really cool and unique and different. Oh, and they've got it on the back as well. So yeah, I just think it's really cool. So I will put together the outfit. I will show you all the elements that go into the outfit, and then we will go from there. See you later. Okay, so it's the next day, and I'm just going to quickly show you the rundown of all of the items that Thread suggested would go together to make this particular outfit. So obviously you've already seen the jumper and the dungarees. So for the necklace, I decided to use this necklace, which I've only bought recently, so I can show you like a proper product picture. Well, I can't get the camera to focus, but as you can see, it's a bee. And then it's got these little like bobble effects along the line of the chain, which I thought made it a bit more interesting. and it sort of fits like a choker. I'm not sure this is exactly the type of necklace that they were going for the outfit, but I thought it was close enough and I didn't really want to buy another necklace. So that's my necklace. And then for the Converse, obviously they chose fake Converse. I already own fake Converse in that same colour. So here they are. Here's the Converse that I'm going to put together with the outfit. And there isn't a product description for these because, one, I mean, it's a copy of another brand, so don't want to promote that. And two, these are very, 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 very old. Like, I'm pretty sure I had these in high school old. So even if I wanted to, I wouldn't be able to. But that is the entire outfit. So now we just have to put it all together. My video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the outfit. I'd give it a 8.5 out of 10, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.